Harley Quinn.
Hello, E-Monkians. We are back and we're gonna go over the Flashbombs. Yeah! Unfortunately, I don't have footage, so here's on-screen E-Monk. Hey guys! We are here to talk about my Flashbombs. Yeah. Alright. Somehow I did not record any footage of this. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera directly. It keeps reflecting off my glasses, so I'm gonna have to not look at the camera directly. Or I could just look at that. Okay, we'll just do it this route. Alright. First off, what I did, these were black to begin with. It came with my gun kit that I found at Walmart for about $5. And it came with this. It was like a zombie apocalypse kit. So this works. You can try to make this of your own, but this is what I chose to do because I only made this in a month, including my girl's costume, so I worked more on their costume, so it took me about 2.5 weeks to make mine, so yeah, I wasn't very choosy. And what I did is I used painter's tape and covered all of the black, because it was black originally, covered all the black, and then I went over it with this. Try to get it. There you go. Krylon Premium Metallic Original Chrome. You can find this at Hobby Lobby for, look, I got it for $5.99. This one's broke. I got a couple things of these, but this stuff is amazing. I use it for a lot of my props if you want to have this metallic look. It's perfect for it. Makes it look really sticky. Yeah. Alright. And then to weather it some, I grabbed some regular black acrylic paint and just flicked it on my brush like this and created splatters. That way it's not exactly clean because you're supposed to have this look messy. So I wanted to weather it out some, and I went over it with Mod Podge to help seal it in, and I did about 3 coats. You can see it down here. But it helped create like an old rustic type look. And these are perfect for hooking into your corset because the 2 straps I showed you before for the holster parts, you just slip it on like this, and this handle holds it in place. That way whenever you move around, it works perfectly. So this worked amazingly when I used elastic bands. One of my elastic bands broke because I didn't cut it good enough, so excuse that one. But it did stay throughout the entire time, and it looked really good, and it added more to the costume because she does have, you know, holsters. They might not, like Flashbombs, they might not look exactly like this, but they're close enough, you know. But hey, if you want some quick, real easy Flashbombs, there you go. That's all I really did. I mean, there's nothing really to this. So yeah. I thought I had footage. Whoop, I thought I had footage, but apparently I did not. I've been trying to track it down for a couple of days. That didn't work out so well. But I'll see y'all in the next video. So yeah. I guess that's it. Next we'll be going over one of my other props. I don't remember which ones we're going over next. It's either the guns or the mallet. One of the 2. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Happy cosplaying. Bye!
Harley Quinn wins.
Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for making all of these videos possible. To become a Patreon supporter, go to patreon.com/emonk060292 or look in the description. It's always so hard to position this to where it does not reflect off my glasses. Reflection problem with glasses 101. No.